Welcome to the Business Blueprint module. I'm Jana with HSRA. I want to spend a little bit of time talking about the importance of your business having a business blueprint. What are your goals for the year? Many people say no more than 3 goals that you want. We try to do 3 to 5 goals per quarter, and these are going to be large goals, but they're SMART goals. They are specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound. So that's what SMART stands for, and they can't just say, oh, we want to increase our business. Well, what does that mean, right? So we need to say by 20% by March the 1st with real estate agents, so you got to be really specific when you set those goals and then review them often, put them where they're in front of you all of the time. What are your top 5 challenges? So now we talked about marketing, we talked about our clients, we talked about our services and pricing, our goals, but sometimes you're going to have challenges, especially as your business grows and takes that step forward. Is it sending the right message? Is it your conversion rates? You get people calling in, but no one is buying your services because maybe it's too expensive or they don't really understand it very well. Those are the things that you need to think about. What are the challenges? Many times we are identifying challenges that are really effects of a deeper cause. So if we're saying, well, no one's using us because our pricing is too high, well, really, it's about portraying the value of your business and your service, because cost and value, if someone's not using you, then you're not selling the value, because we know staging works, we know it's a great investment. They just need to see what all it's about and what full service that you're offering. What are the strengths of your company? Do you have your own inventory? Do you have your own warehouse? Are you licensed and trained with the state to be able to teach CE credits? And do you have different training? Are you part of HSRA? That's a huge benefit that will set you above the competition. So you need to know what the strengths are of your company so that you can toot your own horn sometimes, tell people why you are the best of the best in your area. When you write these down, when your team members know, then they can speak that same language and have the confidence that you need to grow this company. What are the average hours you as the business owner is working? Like, what are those hours? In the office and then at night. You got to count your night hours. You have to count your weekend hours because at the end of the day, you need to be paying yourself, and you need to be paying yourself a fair market value wage. If you are working and you're paying yourself $15 an hour, but you're working 80 hours, then are you paying yourself that much? What is the true work? Because the goal is to replace yourself on some of those things that you're doing, because the final question is, how many hours do you really want to be working? So you may only want to work 10 hours a week because you've invested 10 years into the company and you've already done all of the hard work to build it to a certain place, and now it's time to step back and let your team members grow. So set those times, set those goals of how many hours you really want to be working, maybe in the office and then maybe at home, and stick to that as a baseline. So the business blueprint is amazing. It's great for your company. Like I said, do it at least once a year. You can review what you want with your staff if you have a staff. Keep it in front of you. Know what really makes up your business. And when you have a great business, a blueprint of your business, almost like a map or a floor plan, it allows you to make those decisions that you need to properly because you've already written it out. And so it is a guide for your business on the growth and development of it. Hope you've enjoyed this module about your business blueprint. We hope you've enjoyed this featured module. To gain access to the full resource and over 150 modules just like this, click the link below.